Hello and assalamu alaikum viewers. This is my first video, and first of all I would like to introduce you that I am your host Malishkil Ahmad, and you will be oftenly seeing me on such type of videos which will be enriched with the knowledge and some skillful things. So today I thought that my first video should be such that most of our friends who are in need of searching are going to ASCII towers 3, 4 and 5 in DHA 5. They can easily, if they watch this video, they'll be able to uh, reach their destination without any problem. So if you must be new on my video, so therefore please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and ask your friend and family to be with me all the time so that you keep getting my such type of nice videos. Okay, without wasting time, now I would like to take you to the road tour. At the moment I am heading from Gujranwala to Rawalpindi. So on my way to Rawalpindi, uh, you people must have crossed T junction, the road which is heading toward Islamabad. So I am going to take a right turn on that side. तो जब हम इसके ऊपर चलते जाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा आगे जाएंगे तो हमें मैं आपसे फिर इसके बारे में बताऊंगा. आई विल कीप गाइडिंग यू द डायरेक्शंस. Remember and be careful. Please fasten your seat belt all the time because it is a main national highway road which is known as NH5, and people are bit casual as well on this road, so be careful while driving. Remain concentrated on the road. Traffic is very awkward here. Trucks loaded with full luggage etc. So अभी हम टी जंक्शन से इस्लामाबाद की तरफ, विच इज़ नोन एज इस्लामाबाद एक्सप्रेस वे, इसके ऊपर हम अभी आ चुके हैं. और यहाँ से हम तकरीबन 3 to 4 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेंगे तो वील बी हेडिंग रादर रीचिंग गेट नंबर 7 of DHA2 on our left, and we will be having a U-turn on our right. There will be a DHA phase 5 gate. So up till now, enjoy the drive. Right friends, I have given the right indicator. So we'll be having a U-turn which is just 50 meters ahead, and here the traffic is again very awkward because there are no signals here. Left side will be gate number 7 of DHA phase 2, and we are taking U-turn, and just after taking U-turn we'll move left. Now left indicator given, we'll move left and we'll be heading toward gate of DHA phase 5, which is known as uh, phase 2 extension as well. So just in front of us is DHA phase 5 gate. From here we will move straight forward. security check is there. You have to introduce yourself here. So let me introduce them as well. So gentlemen, after entering the gate, the road is bit sloping down. You have to be very vigilant and keep the speed control. So after entering the gate, you will find a small roundabout with the name Allah in a beautiful calligraphy style, but we have to go straight. This is known as Liaquat Ali Khan Boulevard Road. So you have to move ahead on this Liaquat Ali Khan Boulevard Road for about 400 to 500 meters, going down, and then after that it will have a steep slope. As you can see ahead, it is going up, and there are towers as well. Building, it is getting developed. Slowly and steady it will be much better. And one more thing, the main road is still bumpy. Again, you have to be very careful, and please excuse me for that, because my first video, you must be watching a lot of vibration in it, in the camera. So it is the limitation of the road, so please excuse me for that. Okay, the second choke, which is known as Sherawala choke. From here you have to take a turn toward J and D sector, and here again it is sloping up, and the road is bumpy as well. So be careful, take care of yourself, take care of your family, have a safe journey. So again, quick winding up, entering from the main gate, there will be a small Allah choke. Move straight, go down, then move up, there will be a Sherawala choke. Cross that and take a right turn and move on this road on which I am moving. Keep going straight, and same यही सड़क आपको लीड करेगी खुद ब खुद, जिधर जिधर टर्न कर रही है. कीप टर्निंग ऑन दैट, डोंट लीव दिस रोड. And there is lot of construction going on, so a lot of huge heavy traffic will also be visible and working here and there. Right viewers, bit zigzag, then right turn because there is a road dead head ahead. So taking a right turn, from here we will find a small check post. We will get out and be very careful. It is a steep slow. As you can see, this container, it is moving up. Okay, this is a steep descent, be careful. Okay, right viewers, there is a board as well in the front. Askri Tower, Askri Heights 3 and 4, sector J, D and G. Take a full left left turn on this main boulevard. So on this you have to move straight, move straight, and be vigilant. On your right, there will be a marking board of Askri Heights 3. All those who will be going to Askri Height 3, they will take a U-turn from that place from where I will tell them. And those who are willing to go to Askri Height 4 and 5, for them I'll be making a separate video for them from that point, because this is a common road which is heading toward Askri Height 3, 4 and 5. This video is particularly made for Askri Height 3. So I'll be making another video for Askri Height 4 and 5 separately. So here again the road is descending down, but road condition is good. See, in the far distance, lot of construction is going on. Manufacturing companies are there. Lot of development work is in progress. In a year span or so, it will be well populated. Okay, right. If you look on the right, there are two blue boards clearly written with the sector F, F1, sector J and K, and a green small board written with Askri Height 4. The tower, the board of Askri Height 3 we have already crossed. So from here we will take a U-turn for heading toward the Askri Towers 3. Indicator given for the right to take a U-turn. Okay, again those two blue boards are visible. So we have to take left turn towards sector F and F1. There is again a check post. The security guard may ask from you that where you are going. You can ask from them as well that we have to go to Askri Height 3. On the right side there is a board of Askri Height 3. Taking left turn. One more thing, that a lot of construction work is in progress, so no traffic rules are normally followed here. I should have been moving on the left side of the road, but it is under progress. The work is under progress on this road, so I have to remain on the right. So a choke came here, and it is Ghulam Hussain Avenue. Remain on Ghulam Hussain Avenue. Speed limit should be 40. Stay safe and keep following this road. Now keep counting the U-turns. One we have passed, this yellow color. The second U-turn board is approaching. Pass this second U-turn board as well. Third board is approaching. Pass this as well. From here I can see the Askri Height 3 towers on my right. They are very prominent, so need not to worry. Once you are here, they are visible. So on the fourth U-turn, you don't have to take the U-turn, but you have to go on the other side of this nalla. Move on the other side with a small zigzag, and in the front there is again a green board, Askri Height 3. So take a right turn. Now from here you can watch the Askri Height 3 towers in front of you. There is a radio station as well here, known as Suno FM. Don't forget that this is sector F. If you forget something else, it's okay, but don't forget sector F of DHA 5. Okay, we are now On our left there is a Sono FM building and there is a board, Askri Height 3. Follow these signboards. We have taken a right turn toward the Askri Height 3. There will be a check-in. Again, guards are sitting there. Now in our front, these are the Askri Height Towers. On our left, it is a block 1. On our right, block 2. Then block 3. In front of block 3, new block number 7. It is under construction. Again on my right, block 4. And at the end there are two blocks, block number 5 and block number 10. Hope this video will help you a lot to reach at your destination or finally reach at your dream homeland. Now as I am also resident of this heavenly place in block number 2, so I'll be going to their parking, so I'll show you a small glimpse of the parking as well. So before leaving, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please like it and subscribe my channel so that you keep watching such type of knowledgeable, journey oriented, knowledge oriented videos. So we have now entered into our uh, underground parking, and it is quite spacious, and the administration of the Askri Heights 3, they have dedicated the parking places. As I am resident of apartment number 3 Alpha, so I'll be parking my place at my designated place. Here my designated place came, and you can see the board. So viewers, up till now, uh, I have given you enough of guiding arrangements. Stay tuned. Let's see in the second video. Let's meet with each other with love and affection. Thanks and Allah Hafiz.